In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Wix Forms. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll usually land on the main setup or dashboard page for your site. If you're not already there, just look at the left-hand panel and navigate to your site's main setup area. From here, find the Edit Site button in the top right corner. Click that, and Wix will open your site editor in a new view. Give it a moment to load so all the editing tools appear correctly. Inside the site editor, look for the Add Elements icon. This is the plus symbol, usually along the left side of the screen. Click on that, and a panel will slide open with different types of elements you can add to your site. Move your mouse over the section called Contact and Forms. You'll see a selection of ready-made forms you can use. For this walkthrough, we'll choose a standard contact form, but you can pick any form type that suits your needs. Once you click on a form, Wix will automatically add it to your page. It may take a few seconds to appear, so wait until you actually see the form on your canvas. When it shows up, you can click and drag it to reposition it anywhere on the page. Use the resize handles around the form to adjust how wide or tall it is, so it fits nicely with the rest of your layout. To customize the form, make sure it's selected and then click Edit Form. A pop-up will appear, and again, give it a moment to load fully. You'll start on the Edit tab. On the left panel, you can add new fields by dragging and dropping them into your form. For example, additional text boxes or drop-downs. To edit an existing field, click on it. You'll see a small menu with icons. You can hover to drag it into a new position, click the eye icon to hide it from the live form, or click the trash icon to remove it completely. Next, switch over to the Settings tab in the same pop-up. Here you can control your general form settings, set up a confirmation message for after someone submits, manage email notifications and automations, configure payments if you're taking fees, fine-tune form validations, adjust spam filtering, choose the form's status, and set language and regional formats. When you're happy with everything, go to the top right of the editor and click Save to keep your changes, and that's it. You've now set up and customized a Wix form on your site.